In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install the YouTube app on your iPhone. So your iPhone does not come pre-installed with YouTube. You actually have to go and install it. And so what you want to do is locate the Apple App Store and launch it. Now, once you launch the Apple App Store, make sure you tap on the search function in the bottom left corner and then go to the text box at the top there and just search YouTube. Now from the search results, you should see YouTube. Tap on it, and then you can now tap on the get button to install the app, just like you would install any other application. Now mine looks like this because I had previously installed the app, so I'll just tap on that to have it reinstalled. That is basically how you install it. So just allow this to finish installing. If it's the first time, you might have to authenticate using Face ID. Now once the app has been installed, I can just tap on open. Well, it's telling me YouTube crashed, so I'll just select no for now, and then I can now be prompted to sign into my YouTube account. So I'm just gonna select that and I'll get signed in, and then I can sign into all my other accounts. So if I have another account, I can just tap on there and then select this account, and then I can add any account that I have. So that is basically how to install the YouTube app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.